I'm Niranjan Gupta. I'm in the travel trade for more than 25 years. The insight from the travel space, from the customer interaction and from the process that we had made me start my first company, Via.com. That was 6 years ago. 2 years later, I started another company, again from the insight from the office. I started another company called Magic Rooms, which I sold to Yatra. Every time it was my office, like earlier one of the speakers saying, it's the insight from the customer that you have to understand what is the next big thing. So in the last 1 year, I have been checking all my customers in the last 20 years. They might have moved from offline to online, but one thing has not changed. Customers still need lots of information before they travel, while they travel, and during the travel. I might buy the ticket from Make My Trip. I might buy a hotel booking from Yatra.com. I might make a Google search and check all the attractions, everything. Finally, when I arrive at a destination, I have all these separate things in separate silos. My research I've done on attraction is separately there. My ticket from the OTA is separate. My hotel booking voucher is separate. Why can't we have a solution where the entire content, whether it's a hotel, attractions, Indian restaurants, around the destination, everything in a single app? That's what Trip38 is all about. I have with me my team, Shesh and Markish, who is the CTO. I will run a 2-minute video and I'll have a brief PPT after that.
Sam always had problems with planning trips. He books tickets but forgets them home, along with his band sometimes. He'll be all excited to go to a music concert, but incorrect information will lead him to a crazy convention. That's how he got the butterfly tattoo he didn't want to tell his wife about. But he had to. Hearing his woes, Sam's wife Abby suggested him a solution that made him love her even more. It's a super ninja travel app called Trip38 that takes care of all your travel needs for free. You start by forwarding all your travel-related emails like flight bookings and hotel reservations to explore at trip38.com. Then simply download the app and sign up using Facebook or your mail ID. There's your trip, and creating one yourself is a breeze. Sam completed these details and got his flight e-tickets instantly. He passed the check-in faster than others and shopped at popular duty-free shops in his free time. All thanks to Trip38. On the plane, Sam browsed the app to find My Stay. It had all the hotel details, including pictures and contact details. Excited, he quickly checked restaurants around and found hundreds of delicious places to eat and a single click to get there. Awesome! Trip38 is like your personal local guide. Sam can now access local events and offers, different attractions in the city, or even find emergency contacts. No need to carry paper tickets or hotel vouchers ever. And forget about data charges, as Trip38 works offline too. With Trip38 as his local guide, now Sam won't end up without his pants or weird tattoos. That's the photo he shared with us. We love him too. Trip38 is the only app you'll ever need after you're done with your booking. So why wait? Download it now for free.
Thanks. Hope you guys like the video. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So, as Niranjan talked about, we come in once the booking is done, irrespective of where you have done the booking. And in terms of depth of the product, we have information about 300,000 hotels across the globe, close to around 200,000 point of interest, close to around 30,000, Indian restaurants, whatever information the traveler needs, we have it on the app. Okay. So in terms of understanding who else is doing what, so if you really look at, there are products like TripIt and TripAdvisor. So where we come in and differentiate ourselves is in terms of itinerary management, contextual local guide, as well as coupons and offers. We feel we are far different than the others. Just to tell you how we make money, consumers, it continues to be free. We make money in 3 ways. Travel agents who pay to enable their customers to use the mobile. We help hotels to manage their guests, through our app, both in terms of back-end content as well as the guest experience part. The last one is the in-destination activities. We provide coupons and offers through our app. So in terms of the team, so probably, we understand, the whole startup ecosystem, been there, done that, among us, we have started companies, grown and, exited.